In this video, I'll show you how to create a payment button in PayPal and add to website. To be able to create a PayPal payment button and add it to your website, the first thing that you'll need to do is to log into your PayPal business account. Create a PayPal business account if you don't have one, since you'll need one. Second thing that you'll need to do is to navigate to Seller Tools, and once logged in, go to Pay and Get Paid section in the top navigation bar. Select PayPal buttons under Accept Payments. Now you'll see options like Buy Now, Donate, or Add to Cart. Pick the one that suits your needs. After that, customize your button. Set the item name, price, and currency. Choose additional options like shipping fees or tax, and customize the button's appearance, such as size, color, and text. After that, you can go ahead and generate the code. After customizing it, PayPal will generate the HTML code snippet for your button. Add the code to your website, so copy the HTML code and paste it to your website's HTML where you want your button to appear. For platforms like WordPress, use the HTML editor. The last thing that you will need to do is to test the button. Preview your website and click the button to ensure it works correctly. And that is how you can basically create a payment button in PayPal and add to website. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.